we are in a special moment in our world. We need to do something now, not tomorrow. Today, people wish action, and we need to act now.
A warm welcome on behalf of the Parliament of Rwanda and myself to our distinguished guests who have traveled from all four corners of the globe to be with us here in Rwanda.
You are most welcome. I urge you to feel at home, and I hope you will enjoy your stay with us.
At this assembly, we will be looking to identifying ways to accelerate progress to achieve our shared goal of gender equality, to bring back lasting peace, discourage military responses to instability, and support sustainable development throughout Africa.
The IPU and our parliaments must lead by example. IPU studies are crystal clear. We can't say we didn't know, we can't let the women down, and every assembly I am approached by women MPs from different countries, reporting abuses in their parties and in their parliaments.
Le Rwanda, en collaboration avec l'Union interparlementaire, ont choisi ce thème parce que le Rwanda, vous le savez, nous avons 61% des femmes parlementaires, mais aussi dans d'autres instances de prise de décision, nous avons un bon nombre de femmes. Et nous avons constaté qu'avec ce nombre, on a pu avancer en matière de législation. Nous n'avons plus aucune loi qui consacre une inégalité entre hommes et femmes. Les parlementaires jouent un rôle important pour faire en sorte que cette égalité soit dans les lois. Les femmes doivent se trouver au Parlement au même pied d'égalité que les hommes parce qu'ils composent la société.
IPU assemblies in general are unique and very valuable opportunities in order to engage in parliamentary diplomacy. And this is what we are seeing here in Kigali as well. We have a participation of over 120 national parliaments, over 25 regional parliaments and parliamentary assemblies. Everyone is engaging in serious discussions through the formal agenda, whether it's the Standing Committee on Peace and International Security, whether it's in the Committee on Middle East Questions, whether it's in the High-Level Advisory Group Countering Terrorism and Violent Extremism. People are trying to talk to each other, to listen to what others have to say, and to try to show that parliaments are part of the solution. We have had high-level delegations here in Kigali, both from the Russian Federation as well as from Ukraine, to try together to see how we can finally resolve this war in full respect of international law and the UN Charter.
So, what we can do as members of Parliament?
Le changement climatique n'est pas du tout bien compris par la base.
What we did was we brought the communities together, the women and young people in particular, because they're the big drivers of change.
Seychelles is here to have a voice of the small island states, because what is happening around the globe, as a small country with all the global concern, being absent here will be not good for us. So our presence here counts a lot. We are here to learn, and we are here to take away the good things, for example, in terms of the outcomes of resolutions, to ensure that when we pass laws, when we approve the budgets, we are able to factor in the good things that have come out from the IPU.
For democracy, for everyone.
For democracy, for everyone.
เพื่อประชาธิปไตยเพื่อประชาชนทุกคนค่ะ
Pour la démocratie, pour tous.
For democracy, for everyone.
Für die Demokratie, für jeden von uns.
For democracy,
for everyone.
For democracy for everyone.
Kwa demokrasia kwa kila mmoja.
ديمقراطية للجميع.
For democracy for everyone.